How to change the refresh rate display settings, as well as choose a specific refresh rate setting per app. This is for a Poco X6 Pro phone or any other Poco phones with Hyper OS 2. To find these display settings, use the quick access and go into the settings right here. As you tap on that one time, you'll see this, then go to where it says display right there. From this section here now, you'll go down a little bit more until you see refresh rate. Now, from the default, you'll see this option here, and when you select it, basically the refresh rate is simply going to go based on the app you're using and the compatibility. Remember, not all apps can stay in a certain refresh rate. Then you have the option to go to custom. Once you select custom here, you can choose right there, this option here, to 60 or 120. If you set it to 60, everything will be 60 refresh rate. Okay, so that's gonna stay like that, and most of your apps can follow up with a 60 hertz, okay? But if you tap here and you go to 120, you're also saying that everything now will be 120. And even though regardless, some apps cannot fit into the 120. However, you can also choose specific apps on which refresh rate setting they will have. So go right here, you'll see this load up, and you can choose which ones will be using the highest refresh rate, and simply by turning them off. So for example, maybe you don't want this game to have it, so when I turn it off, that game will no longer have it as a high refresh rate. And you can always go down to the very bottom of the list here, and you will see the ones that are not using it. And of course, you can turn it on for those and turn it off for those that you don't want. And that's basically it for this guide. Like and sub.